get a transcript of a video on YouTube, head on to open your YouTube app. And when it opens up, you locate the video you're interested in its transcript. So let's say I want to get a transcript of this video, which says how to get subscribers fast. So you tap on the video itself to open it up. And when it opens up, you tap on the title of the video again. And then you scroll down a bit and you're going to see the option show transcript. So you tap on it. So the transcript have come up. Now you have access to the transcript of this very video. So this transcript helps you to follow the video word for word. In case you're not getting what the person is saying from the audio, you can access the transcript to help you understand better what this person is saying in the video. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.